So we've got a bit of an issue with this outside tap. To start with, it was just trickling and not shutting off properly. Now it's just completely seized and it won't budge. So what we want to do is just completely change the whole thing. First things first, we need to isolate the water. This was on mains water pressure, so I need to find my stopcock and turn that off. Right then, well actually before I do this I'm going to get a double espresso. On a hilltop, oh, blanching celery. Right, let's get some tools sorted out. A pair of adjustable spanners, set of adjustable grips and a roll of PTFE tape. Right then, let's get it off the wall. You'll see either side of the tap there's a little flange there. Get your adjustable spanners in there and grab that on there. If it's particularly tight, you might want to get some adjustable grips and grab the joint at the back just in case it doesn't wrench out. Just turn that anti-clockwise like this. Actually, this bit's a bit boring, so I might put some nice melodic, peaceful music over this, shall I? Pom pom pom, I see a little silhouette of a man. Right, PTFE, hello, there he is. Right then, easiest way I can explain to do PTFE tape. Get the fitting in your left hand with the thread exposed. Get your PTFE tape with the tape underneath the roll, like that. And roll over the top. This way when you tighten up the fitting, it won't strip the PTFE tape. I tend to do about 15 rolls, so let's have a look. Right then, take the tap, engage the thread in the hole and just start turning it clockwise. And just get your adjustable spanners and finish it off from there.